Naomi Osaka. This is a new Barbie doll and we're gonna unbox her today. So let's open her up. So here's the front of the package. See, mine came a little damaged, not too bad. On this side it says Naomi, and on this side it says Osaka. There are graphics of tennis balls on each side of the package. It says her name on the front. And then on the back of the box you can see a picture of Naomi Osaka herself. And there's a brief paragraph that's a bio of her. There's a quote from her right here. I am terrible at multitasking. I can't really talk and do something else at the same time. So I'm gonna unbox her and then we'll talk about her. And just like that, she's unboxed. It's just as fast and easy as it looked in the editing. Let's take a look at the doll up close. She has the crystal face mold. Early on, collectors were calling this face mold Cassandra, and that's what I knew this face mold as for a long time. But another doll came out with this face mold, one of the Marnie Cinefonte dolls, and that doll on Mattel's website is listed as having the face mold of Crystal. So even though some people may still know this face mold as Cassandra, the official face mold name is Crystal. And actually, looking on Mattel's website for signature dolls face mold names is one of the ways that I figure out what different face molds are called, especially if they're newer face molds. The only downside to this is if the face mold hasn't been used on a signature doll yet, then it doesn't have an official face name, like the Kim/Chandra face mold from one of my favorite fashionistas of the latest wave. I'm also glad that they used this face mold for this doll. One, it definitely looks like Naomi Osaka, but also this is a new look for the face mold because in my opinion, most of the dolls with this face mold kind of look the same. Mattel has been giving them like a similar skin tone and hair color. Case in point, the basketball made to move, the soccer player made to move, these fashionistas. So often this face mold kind of looks the same as the other face molds, so it's always a plus for me when they take a face mold and change the eye makeup, the hairstyle associated with it, face paint. That always makes me want to go out and buy the doll. But anyway, that's her face mold name. She has some spots on her face that make it look more realistic. She has pearl earrings in that they can be taken out. I love pearl earrings. If you couldn't tell, it's my go-to, so I love that in a doll. She has very curly, soft hair. It has light brown and dark brown in it. It's styled up into a ponytail. It is kind of split, which you can see on the back, but I don't think it'll be too much of an issue to fix it. She comes wearing a visor with the Nike symbol on it. She also comes wearing this, well, I thought it was a bracelet, but I guess it's one of those tennis wristbands, like to wipe sweat away, I think. Yeah, that's probably what it is. And it is stuck in place, so I'm gonna have to like pull it off in a minute. She has these very detailed blue tennis shoes with the Nike logo on them. Here's the bottom of them. Wow, they're so detailed. I love the realism of these shoes. Her outfit is a one piece. There's this little flouncy skirt that goes around, and then there's a little slit on the side. There are shorts. There are shorts underneath, and the skirt can go all the way up on the back, but on the front, it's tacked down. And then the back of the outfit has this mesh detailing, which is a really cool detail. And then the front has a stitch line under the bust, as well as the Nike logo. I don't know what other dolls this would work on in a non-tennis context, but she's a tennis player, so it makes sense she's in a tennis outfit, and it's very well constructed. And of course, I love orange. This doll also comes with a tennis racket that has colored details as well. The doll also comes with a certificate of authenticity and a stand. The certificate is just thin paper. It says, "This certifies that your Naomi Osaka Barbie doll was created through the collaborative efforts of designers and artists at Mattel." And it's a signature black label doll. She also comes with one of these round stands and this clip to clip her waist in. And I think I threw the stand out with the box, so let me find it. Yes, I did. So this plastic is nice and firm. It's not squishy, it doesn't feel too soft. I will definitely be using the stand. Now, there are two other things I wanted to mention for this doll. First, she was $30 on Amazon. I pre-ordered her, and this leads into my second thing I wanted to say, which is her body type. When I was looking at her online, from her promo pictures, I thought she was a tall made to move. And if she had been a tall made to move, then that would have been a new tall made to move skin tone. However, she is just original, so it's not a new skin tone. I believe her skin tone is the same as the purple pants, model number 2, which is very close to the yellow top.
Here she is compared to the purple pants and model number 2. As you can see, they are a skin tone match.
All that being said, this doll is not a new made-to-move skin tone for talls. She is a skin tone that we've already seen before. However, she has a gorgeous face mold and very pretty hair. I like her outfit, and she's made to move, so she has everything that I look for in a doll. She is a little more expensive than your Playline Barbies, but she's in the same price range as like the BMR 1959 dolls, who are all made to move with really cool fashions. She's a bit more expensive than the Looks Barbies, but they didn't come with the same amount of accessories that she does. So, if you like how the doll looks, you like her outfit, you like her hair, you like her accessories, you want to stand, you like collecting signature dolls, definitely go out and get her. If you're expecting a new made-to-move body type and skin tone, she doesn't have that, but in my book, she's still worth it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.